So this is your first ever hands-on image of the Google Pixel Fold 2. As the Google tradition of leaking their device way before months is continuing, today we have the Google Pixel Fold 2. Not even a render image, we have got a direct hands-on image of the Pixel Fold 2. Hats off to the Google product security team. By the way, who is leading the team? Tom Holland? Anyway, this image is courtesy of Android Authority. Looking at the image, it reveals some surprising design changes that could be on the horizon. And we see an all-new camera bump which has undergone a complete makeover compared to the first Pixel Fold. Disclaimer, this photo appears to be an early version of the Google Pixel Fold 2, even though the design might be very similar to this image. Talking about the design, the cover screen is narrower, but more importantly, the inner screen's aspect ratio is close to a square. That suggests the Fold 2's overall form factor might be similar to the OnePlus Open, which has screens that are in between the Pixel Fold and the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 in terms of size. The narrower form factor of the Pixel Fold 2 may come as a surprise to some, but there is a reason why most other foldable phones aren't as wide as Google first gen foldable. A lot of Android apps still aren't optimized for the tablets. By making the first gen Pixel Fold as wide as it is, Google had to employ software workaround to deal with apps that refuse to run in a landscape mode. The company even developed an entirely new OS feature in Android 14 that lets users force apps like Instagram to go full screen. The new form factor isn't the only change in the leaked image. The camera bump on the back may be redesigned. The Pixel Fold 2 has a camera island with 4 sensors, a main wide-angle lens, a secondary ultra-wide-angle lens, and a territory periscope telephoto lens and an unknown lens. It's unclear if the fourth sensor is an FIR sensor or temperature measurement or a different sensor like spectral flicker or TOF sensor. This island also includes an LED flash and microphone. The Pixel Fold 2 shares design similarities with the Pixel 9 series, including rounded displays and a premium aluminum frame according to a source. It has similar feel and material as the first generation Pixel. While we don't have any photos showing the inner screens, a source told us that the Pixel Fold 2 now has a display cutout in the top right corner for the inner screen camera. This contrasts with the first gen Pixel Fold, which hid its inner screen camera in the top bezel. He also said that the Pixel Fold 2 is still pretty thin, but that the squeeze is still pretty noticeable. So what do you think about this Google Pixel Fold 2? Let me know in the comment section below. With that being said, subscribe if you like, and I will see you in the next one.